In this video, I will show you how to change the size of desktop icons in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this, all you need to do from your desktop is right click onto a blank space of your desktop, and that's going to bring up a menu like this. On this menu, hover over the view option at the top, and on the submenu that comes up, all you need to do, as you can see, we got small, medium or large icons, so you just need to click onto large icons. Once you do that, this is going to increase the size of your desktop icons in Windows 11, and there is also a shortcut key for this as well. So if we right click again onto a blank space of the desktop, hover over view, you can see if you hold down Control, Shift and press the number 2 on your keyboard, this is also going to increase the size of your icons. You can also reduce the size by holding Control, Shift and pressing 3, or you can make them smaller by pressing Control, Shift and 4. So that's how to change the size of desktop icons in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.